Hello everyone, I will introduce one to you today. The high-end version produced by our factory. SD30u-8 this excavator. What about our excavator? The width of the entire chassis is at 1.3 meters. And then on the big 230 crawler, it's bigger than the surface. It is more stable to work. As for our car, the largest digging depth can reach 2 bar. The largest excavation height can reach 4 meters. Our SD30u-8 excavator. It is carrying a pure imported from Japan. A 3-cylinder engine. Fuel efficient, durable, and easy to open. It comes standard with a plug pump. What about the cooperation between the plug pump and the hydraulic pilot handle? It is more silky, smooth, and flexible to operate. This car is suitable for municipal engineering. The house is broken, personal rental, and other working conditions. Is there a boss who needs this car? You can find out.